Look who just realized she never had a dedicated video on self-care and maintenance. You want to step into the mood to feel fabulous? Well, sit tight and do keep on watching. The truth is, self-care doesn't have to be done in a day. Some days are for taking down your hair. Some days are for making the hair. Some days are specially for washing and treating your hair. Some days are for making your nails. Some days are for everything shower. We don't always scrub our body, but some days you just feel in the mood to do things specially. In this video, I shared with you different things I do to elevate my look. It's not just about the makeup and putting on nice dresses. There are things to do behind camera, things people don't even see, but it makes you feel good in and out. Let me know if you want to see more of this, maybe a part 2, and recommend what you want to see in the comment section, and I'll work on it for you. Enjoy the video.
In my restless dreams, my seabed tank, silent hill.
Hi guys, so I think I'm done. Let's go downstairs and play. Bye! Hi favorites! See my new hair. This feels so good. Oh, whenever you get into a beauty store, just get yourself one or two sheet mask. I'm about to watch a movie right now and sip some juice. Bye guys. Hi favorites, so I'm not using a mic right now. I just wanted to say I really hope you enjoyed this video. The essence of this is just to carry you guys along, to share my own routine. These are things I do behind the camera. You don't know them, you don't see them, and it's because these are things you do in the bathroom. Okay, you don't carry people along. That's the reason why I wanted to show you some things you can do. Scrubbing your skin is necessary. I didn't show oral parts of, you know, this oral care, but if you'd like to see a part 2 on self-care maintenance, let me know and I'll work on that. I'll make it more detailed and just come up with a different concept on its own. So if there's something you do in your maintenance, share in the comment section. Okay, we would love to know. Teach us. Let me know in the comment section. Bye.